Howdy everybody, this is Blake Cobble with Russ Darrow, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram of West Bend. And today I'm going to take you on a virtual test drive on one of a special edition Jeep Compasses that we have. This one is a special 80th anniversary edition from Jeep, so there's a couple things that make it unique compared to a lot of the Compasses out there, and they were only doing it for 1 year this year. So I'm going to highlight a couple things with you, and we're going to take a drive. And if you like it, come and see us here at Russ Darrow, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram of West Bend. All right. So here we are driving the 2021 Jeep Compass 80th Anniversary Special Edition. And some of the things that I think are really important that a lot of people don't know about our brands is that not only do you get a legendary four-wheel drive system in this vehicle that lets you select different terrains such as snow, mud, things like that. They give the driver an advantage when the weather is a little snowy or slippery out. Not only do you get that, but in this particular model you get some nice heated leather seats. And the way the seats are designed in the Jeep Compass, if you've got a bad back, they're kind of designed like a thumb, and you just nestle your back right in there. It really gives you good lumbar support. They feel really comfortable to ride around in the Jeep Compass. You also get the updated radio screen with navigation, the 8.4-inch Uconnect 4 system. So one of the largest screens that they put in the Jeep Compass, that's in this one, and the navigation is built right in. It also has a lot of great safety features like adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitors that give you a big advantage at nighttime when people are in your blind sides. They'll let you be alerted in the mirrors, little triangles that light up to let you know. It also has lane departure sensors, so while you're on the highway, it's going to monitor the lane on the right and keep you on the road by gently correcting you. The steering wheel will just gently keep you in the lane when that system's turned on. So there's a whole lot of advantages. I've only really scratched the surface about the benefits of the Jeep Compass. Get a great four-wheel drive system. It's very comfortable, premium materials to sit in. Also has a lot of great technological and safety features that keep you safe on the road, but also have a great entertainment value as well. So if you'd like to come take a look at some Compasses or any of our other Jeep brands, any of our vehicles really, we'll be happy to help you and give you all the information that you need at Russ Darrow, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram in West Bend. My name is Blake, and I hope you enjoyed our virtual test drive.